Liz, help, what's wrong with my curls? Hey, what happened? They're so stringy and not bouncy like before. What did you do? Well, I co-washed and I used a lot of curl cream and I used a lot of gel, more than usual. Oh, you used too much product. Okay, the product may be just sitting on top of your hair, making your hair feel limp. So do one thing, just rinse it all off. Don't use a shampoo, just use a gentle shampoo. Oh, okay. And don't use a mask or don't use any curl cream. Your hair looks very limp already. Just style with just one product that gives you volume and makes your hair feel lightweight. Let me try that. I did what you said. I used a gentle shampoo to rinse it all out, all the extra stuff. And then I used the primer. I left it in my hair while I showered. And then I used a little bit more. Now here we are. How do I style it? Here, use a mousse. Just mousse? Are you sure? Mousses are great for like one and done styling that can give you about 1 or 2 days. Okay, let's try it. I didn't use any brushes. All I did was scrunch in the mousse, and there's so much definition. But will this hold? If you want your one and done styling to last for longer, then you can always use a gel or a hairspray after you use your styling product. Oh yeah, how many days can I get? Well, it's summertime now. How often are you washing your hair? It's hot now. I like to wash my hair more often than usual, so I guess this should do. Wow, my curls are alive again. How can I learn more from you? Comment fix if you need help layering your products the right way.